Did you just spend between $700 and $1,000 on a brand new Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro and you want to keep that beautiful bright screen protected and safe? Perhaps you've seen this screen protector, tempered glass screen protector by Caseology. I purchased it with my own money and I'm going to install it and tell you what I think. All right, we have some stuff, some hopefully instructions here. And we have this guide, and then I'm assuming the actual screen protector itself is going to be in here, kind of trapped between these two pieces of plastic. So let's get all this stuff out of the way. It looks like they gave me two, so if I mess it up, I have another shot. Cleaning wipes. All right, so let's clean the thing off first. They also did include these dust removal stickers, which I do find to be fairly useful, but I actually don't see any dust there to remove at this moment. Step number 2 is to fit this guide onto your Pixel 8 Pro. Step number 3 is to remove this back film. And then we're just gonna set this in, just like that, I'm assuming. And then it says to press here and then slide down. At that point, we can pop off the guide, peel that off, and then use our squeegee to get rid of any bubbles that we may have. So let's do that real quick. There's a bubble gone. There's a stubborn bubble right there. Those are the worst, the ones that just don't want to leave. But I don't see anything underneath the screen to be causing that bubble, so it may dissipate the rest of the way on its own. Let's power the phone back up and we'll get like a brighter something on there so you can kind of see it. First thing I want to say though is that the guide didn't really do a perfect job. It's actually off to the left just slightly. I don't know if that's going to bother me or not, but it does look like it's on there pretty good anyways. Let's test the fingerprint scanner. No problem there. No problem there. I don't think the fingerprint scanner is being affected at all. I don't see any additional bubbles. So I think we're in pretty darn good shape. Next question is, do I try this again and hopefully line it up better? The answer was yes, and I see what I did. It did not fit all the way down like it was supposed to. That was 100% user error, but we had two, so we tried another one, and it looks absolutely perfect. And once again, fingerprint scanner is functioning perfectly. We got a small bubble right there again that wants to come back, but again, yeah, that should go away on its own after maybe a day or so. This looks pretty good. I will say it does have a little bit of a sharp edge right there on the side, which is going to happen with some of these. Very few of them are kind of rounded enough to not do that. But if you've got a case on, that shouldn't be too big of a concern either. For the price, I think that's going to do the job just fine. So there you go, guys, for $21.99. I think that is a fairly fair price for what this is. I think that it looks fine. You can't really see that it's on there at all unless you're really looking for it. Installation was easy. It will be even easier if you're not like me and you're not trying to look over a camera and do all that nonsense. It's even easier when you're not YouTubing. So the second time around, did it just fine, no problem. Totally just didn't let the screen protector sit correctly as I should have. So yeah, installation was easy. Final product looks good. What's not to like? There's also a $5 coupon to save a little bit more. So guys, I'm going to drop an affiliate link down below. Click on that, make the purchase, helps support the channel. So if you need a screen protector for your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro, I believe they've got an 8 version as well. I'll link to both of them down below. You can do that, go that route, and hopefully have as much success as I did with my installation. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you on the next one. And until next time, stay nerdy.